In front of me is POCO F5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access apps. After that, tap on Manage Apps. Click on those three dots at the top right corner and tap on Default Apps. Lastly, just tap on one of those sections, in my case Browser, and tap on an app that you wish to apply, like Firefox. So when I do that and go back, I can see that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!